Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of the Andropic Army Hunt. You might have seen the previous episode, you might have seen those two teams of every episode go bang on with one another. That's what's happening again here today. Now we are here in a beautiful venue. We are at Warrior Fitness in Pune, and you know what's going to happen? We have two teams who are ready to go bang on, head on with one another to win for themselves those beautiful trophies that we have right here with us. I'm going to showcase to you in a while. But now, the main thing right here, the Andropic Army Hunt is an event which is initiated for personal trainers. We are here to give personal trainers a platform to showcase their strength, to showcase their form and their talent. Those two teams going bang on, head on with one another. Now, as you all know, Andropic is India's all-natural #1 testosterone booster. I don't think any man apparently watching this video can comfortably go to a store, to a pharmacy and say, can I have a bottle of testosterone booster? No, you will only go and pick up a bottle of testosterone booster if your doctor recommends it to you, or if your personal trainer tells you, sir, you have signs of low testosterone. How about taking one capsule of Andropic and you'll see a difference. Now I'll tell you guys something. When you go and pick up a bottle of Andropic or any supplement in the market, you need to have a list, look at the list of ingredients that particular supplement has. Now I'll tell you what ingredients are in these. Oh, I think I made a mistake. There's no ingredients, there's only an ingredient, and the ingredient used in making this beautiful product of Andropic is fenugreek, also known as methi, which you consume I think on a regular basis. There's only one ingredient, it is 100% all natural, and it can be consumed by any man above the age of 25. Now since we are at this beautiful venue here at Warrior Fitness, I'm going to call the owners of Warrior Fitness to please share a few words on their gym. So can I have Mr. Abdul please join me to share a few words on Warrior Fitness? Okay, so I have here with me the two owners, Mr. Abdul and Mr. Sachin. They're the owners of Warrior Fitness. Sir, आप अपने जिम के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहते हो?
मेरा नाम अब्दुल शेख है. आई एम द को-ओनर ऑफ वॉरियर जिम. आई एम एक्स सर्विस मैन. तो मुझे ये बताना है कि मेरे 2 ब्रांचेस है, हंडेवाड़ी और NIBM में. हम बहुत सारा फिटनेस से रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं, जिसके अंदर ट्रैकिंग है, नॉट ओनली जिम्नेशियम के अंदर, तो उसके बाहर भी हम लोग फिजिकल एक्टिविटी पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, जिससे कि आपका एंड्योरेंस बढ़े, स्टैमिना बढ़े, स्ट्रेंथ बढ़े और आप अपने आप को फिट रख सके. और ये नॉट ओनली इन महाराष्ट्र, तो हम ये ओवरऑल इंडिया में करना चाहते हैं. और उसके अंदर हम बहुत सारे जैसे इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, स्विमिंग, ट्रैकिंग, साइकिलिंग और मैराथन. तो ये सब करके हम इंडिया को फिट रखना चाहते हैं.
Thank you, sir. So,
Thank you.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank both of you, Mr. Abdul and Mr. Sachin, for being our venue partner for this episode. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
It's really been, I think my team is really happy doing an event here at Warriors Fitness. Thank you, sir. Thank you very, very much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, talking to you on the game. Now, in each team, we're going to have 3 teammates in each team. What is the game going to be all about? It's going to be very simple, very interesting, and going to be intense at the same time. Now, the first activity is going to be a kettlebell swing. Now, one member from each team is going to come to the center of the play area, and we're going to be giving him a 16 kilo of a kettlebell. All he has to do is hold the kettlebell straight and do the right pose of a kettlebell swing. Now, the format of the kettlebell swing is to do maximum reps of a kettlebell in 5 minutes. I have one of my teammates who's going to be counting the number of swings. Now, number of swings is the right number of swings. If he does a half swing, that will not be counted. So, an entire full swing is going to be counted for a kettlebell swing. Moving to the next activity, we're going to be giving them a tire, and they're going to be flipping the tire from right to the left, again from the left to the right, and it's going to happen in a time span of 5 minutes. यानी कि 5 मिनट में जितने ज़्यादा टायर फ्लिप्स कर सकते हो. That's going to happen. Each tire flip, 1 point. Now moving to the third game or the third activity of the Andropic Army Hunt. The third activity is going to be a plate hold. Now this activity, we're going to have one member of both the teams standing आमने-सामने. Each of them are going to be given a plate of 15 kilos. And yes, they have to hold the plate parallel to floor. When I say go, the time begins. If they hold the plate for 40 seconds, they have 40 points in their account. And if you hold for more time, more the points, more the seconds, more the points. and that's how it works. Now, there has to be a game changer. There has to be like a magic wand in the entire event. What is a magic wand? I'll tell you. Now, each activity you saw, 1 point per swing or 1 point per second, 1 point per flip. The main game changer of the event is going to be the deadlift. If a team doesn't succeed in winning the first or the second or the third event, can easily still win the game with the help of the fourth event, which is called the deadlift. A deadlift is an event which you need to hold the bar. Now the weight of the deadlift is going to be the person who's doing it, his 1.5 body weight. Full range is going to be 1 count. Now 1 count is going to be given 5 points. That means if he does 20 deadlifts, he gets 100 points. Now the entire thing goes on for a time span of 5 minutes. Yes, during the entire activity, whichever participant comes from a team, they can take as many breaks as possible in the time span of 5 minutes. But yes, whatever break they take, there's no time that's going to be reduced or anything. In 5 minutes, जितना reps करेंगे, उतना points दिया जाएगा. So why don't we move ahead and meet the teams?
Okay, so introducing to you our first team that we have the Mass Monsters. In the Mass Monsters, we have Mandar, Ayan, and Veer. And yes, they're going to be competing against the Warrior Hunters. We have Abdul, Ajay, and Sufyan.
And here we have our two teams. To my right we have Mass Monsters and to my left we have Warrior Hunters. These are our two teams who are going to go bang on with one another, and let's see which team walks home with this beautiful trophy of the Iron Rupeek Army Hunt. Okay, so we're going to get set for our very first activity right here at the Iron Rupeek Army Hunt. We got Mandar here to my right, we got Sufyan to my left. Now the first event here is going to be the tire flip. Now we need to know who's going to go first. We got two teams with us, and let's see, we got the Warrior Hunters and the Mass Monsters who are here. Let's see which team actually, gets a lead into the tire flip. So for that, I'm going to have a toss. Who's going to call? You'll call? Heads. Heads is the call, and heads it is. So you want to start or you want him to start? You want to start. That is really cool. So all the very best, Mandar. The tires all yours. Maximum flips in 5 minutes. Okay, let's get started with the very first game right here at the Iron Rupeek Army Hunt. Okay, so we're getting ready here for the tire flip. We got Mandar who's all set to flip this tire as many times in 5 minutes. My timer is ready. Scorer is ready. Without me wasting time. Mandar, are you ready? Please get in position. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Come on. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. Come on, let's go. 4 minutes down, 4 minutes remaining. Come on, we got 3.5 minutes remaining. Come on, 3 minutes to go, 3 minutes. Superb, come on. Superb, come on. Come on, 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. on. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep going, come on. 1.5 minutes remaining. One minute remaining, 1 minute, 1 minute. Come on. Come on. 15 सेकंड बाकी है. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So he finishes 68 flips in 5 minutes. यानी कि जीतने के लिए 68 के ऊपर तो चाहिए. Let's see if the next team can actually do good and do more than 68 flips in 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to go ahead with Sufyan. Sufyan is here from Warrior Hunters and Sufyan आपको 68 के ऊपर मारना है जीतने के लिए. जाएगा आराम से 68 के ऊपर? Sure? जीतेगा? Superb. Take your position. Let's get started, Sufyan. Okay? Are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, very good. Come on. Flips are done so far. Come on. दो मिनट बाकी है. 2 मिनट. Come on. आराम से. Come on. Light है. Superb. 69, 70. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the end of 5 minutes, Warrior Hunters ended up doing 80 reps. They were supposed to do more than 68. They did more than 80 reps. Fabulous tire flip by Sufyan, who started off by giving Warrior Hunters an amazing lead. देखते हैं नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी जो होगा या जो केटलबेल स्विंग, उसमें कौन ज़्यादा मार्क्स प्राप्त करते हैं. Let's wait and watch. Okay, now moving in with the second event of the Andropic Army Hunt. We got Mr. Abdul and we got Veer here. So Mr. Abdul is here from Warrior Hunters and Veer is here from Mass Monsters. But we need to figure out one team who's going to go off with the kettlebell swing. Sir, toss, will you be calling? I'll be calling I'll be flipping the coin. Will you call? Okay. So Veer is going to call and tails it is. So you won the toss, sir. You want to start off or you want Veer to start off? So Veer is going to be starting off his kettlebell with 16 kilo kettlebell, maximum swings in 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so Veer, your 16 kilo kettlebell is your maximum swings in 1 minute. How many do you think you're going to, what number do you have in mind as a target? 170, 180 reps. Superb, okay. Get started, you can take hold of your kettlebell. And let's begin in 5, 4, 3, 1. Let's go. Let's keep going, come on. Nice and slow, superb. Very nice. 15 seconds done. Let's keep going, no stopping. Come on. Okay, come on. 3 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. 3 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. Breathe. You got 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go, Veer. Continue the pace, huh? You'll be able to get what your target is. Come on. Nice and slow. Two minutes, 30 seconds remaining. Okay. Come on. Let's keep rolling, come on. Keep going. Come on. 140 remaining, 1 minute 40 seconds. Come on, 120. Just go non-stop. Last minute, come on. छोड़ना नहीं. Last 1 minute. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 103. What happened, bro? Are you okay? Superb. Thank you, Veer. Thank you very much. Woof. He did 103 a time span of 5 minutes. Set a good target for the Warrior Hunters. Let's see if they can break this target or not. Sir, आपको 103 के ऊपर मारना है. हो जाएगा?
आराम से.
Guarantee? Sure?
Age is just number.
I'm not talking about age.
नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ मेरा 48 है तो उसे डबल करना है बस.
Your strength is here and here. सब मुझे पता है. So आपको 103 के ऊपर मारना है to win this particular round. Are you ready? Get set of your weight. Timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's roll. Come on, let's go. Let's keep moving. $40, $41, $42, $43. Come on, let's keep going. No stopping. 3 minutes 45 seconds remaining. Keep going. Superb. 75, 76, 77, Come on. Superb. Continue. Superb. Superb. Come on. Superb. One minute 30 seconds remaining. Come on. 1 minute 15 seconds remaining. 1 minute 15 seconds. Superb, superb. Okay, breathe, 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 breathe. Superb. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. सर आपको 103 के ऊपर चाहिए था. आपने क्या था 149 kettlebell swings in 5 minutes. Fabulous, fabulous. आप जाके रेस्ट कर सकते सर. Thank you very, very much. Wow. Now, these guys are doing so well. Warrior Hunters did a fabulous 149 in just 5 minutes. Let's have a look at the scoreboard. Okay, now at the end of the second event, the score as of now of Mass Monsters is 171 and the Warrior Hunters is 229. That means Warrior Hunters are actually in the lead again. Wow. Let's see what they're going to do in the next round. That's going to be the plate hold. Okay, moving to the third activity of the Iron Republic Army Hunt. We got Sufyan and we got Mandar who are going to be competing head on for the plate hold. Each of them will be given a plate of 15 kilos. All they have to do is hold the plate up parallel to the floor for a maximum number of time. The more seconds they hold it for, the more points they get for their entire team. So let's not waste any time. Guys, get hold of your plates. Okay. Do we have the timer that's on? Ready? Let's begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift. Hold, hold. Superb, superb. Stay right there, breathe, breathe. 20 seconds over. 20 seconds over, come on. 35 seconds, come on. ये तो शुरुआत है. छोड़ना नहीं. Hold. छोड़ना मत सुफियान, छोड़ना मत. वेरी गुड, छोड़ना मत. Come on, पकड़ के रखो, छोड़ना नहीं. Oh. Wow, superb, Sufyan, superb. Okay, now at the end of the third activity, the score of the Warrior Hunters is 321 and the score of the Mass Monsters is 236. That means Warrior Hunters are actually in the lead. But anything, कुछ भी हो सकता है in the final event of the deadlift. So let's see which team ends up becoming victorious in the deadlift right here at the Andropic Army Hunt. Okay, we are here for the final task of the Andropic Army Hunt. We have Ayan here and we have Ajay here from both the teams. Now for you to break even with them, you need at least 17 deadlifts. Okay, right? And you guys are already in the lead of 17 deadlifts is what I am saying. यानी कि 80 points के ऊपर से आप लोग lead में है. Right? So before we go ahead, I'm going to the toss. जो जीतेगा, you can decide who wants to go ahead with the deadlift first. Right? Who's calling? You'll call? Heads is your call and tails it is. So Ayan, you're going to go in for the deadlift All the very, very best. Maximum reps in 5 minutes, yeah? All the best, man. Timer, 5 minutes is what you have, right? Okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Superb. Okay. Superb, come on. आराम से होगा. Come on. Okay. 3 minutes 45 seconds remaining. Superb, come on. Yes, come on. Superb, come on. Very nice. Come on. You got 2.5 minutes remaining. 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes. Breathe. Come on. जाएगा, आराम से जाएगा. Yeah. Okay. You have time. Come on. 1 minute to go, Ayan. 1 minute. Come on. Come on. Come on. Can you go ahead? Okay. Come on. 35 seconds remaining. You got 25 seconds remaining. You can go ahead. One rep. Try one more rep. Twenty-eight. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So at the end, 28 reps. 28 reps at the end of 5 minutes. यानी कि वॉरियर हंटर्स को जीतने के लिए उनको सिर्फ 11 रेप ही मारना है. And that's about it. 11 रेप मारना है. And they're going to be the winners of this episode of the Andropic Army Hunt. अजय, ये लास्ट सेट है.
ओके.
आपको ये जीतने के लिए, ये अगर आप जीतोगे आपका टीम विनर होगा. आपको मिनिमम 11 मारना है. उसके ऊपर जाना चाहते हो तो आप बेफिक्र होके जा सकते हो, लेकिन 11 आपको और आपकी टीम को जिताने के लिए 11 चाहिए. Are you ready? Take a position in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Superb. Very nice. Superb. 7. Superb. 8. चलो, come on. Okay. Okay. 3 मिनट 20 सेकंड है. ठीक है, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप पूरा 5 मिनट मारो. आप तो जीत गए, टीम भी जीत गया, लेकिन आप अपने रिकॉर्ड बनाइए. जितना ऊपर जाएंगे उतना ऊपर जाने तो है 3 मिनट और, क्यों वेस्ट करना है? चलिए, सेट अ रिकॉर्ड। ओके अजय, रेडी? 2 minutes 20 seconds remaining. चलो, come on Ajay. Come on. Superb, come on. Lift. Chalo, come on Ajay, come on. 1 minute remaining, 1 minute. नाही 1 मिनिट अजून, पुढे जायचं नाही. 1 मिनिट, come on, 1 minute remaining. Come on. 40 seconds remaining, कंटिन्यू तो कर लो. डन. तो जीत गए, टीम जीत के आगे नहीं करना चाहता, बट गुड जॉब. So we have a win. We have Warrior Hunters who are actually the winners. We will see you guys at the presentation. Okay guys, we're at the presentation right here at the Andropic Army Hunt. Now we saw these two teams collide with one another and being victorious from the very first game that they had. We had Warrior Hunters who dominated the game here today at the Andropic Army Hunt. And we have Mad Monsters who tried and gave it their level best in the last breath, in the last minute. They gave in the fight. And yes, they are our runners up today. Can I have Mad Monsters joining me here to collect their gift hampers? Come on. Can I have the runners up here? You guys did really very well. Now to give you the gift, I want Mr. Sachin to please join me. Sachin sir, आइए आप. So, Sachin sir, before I hand you over these gift hampers to be given to our runners up, I would like to say a very big thank you from the entire team of Andropic for giving us this amazing venue that we're able to shoot, connect with your trainers and have such an amazing show. So sir, very big thank you from the entire team of Andropic once again. So thank you very much. एक बार जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए सचिन सर के लिए. सर, I would like to hand up सभी को एक गिफ्ट हैम्पर दे दीजिए Andropic की तरफ से for our runners up. Thank you very much. You guys did really well. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sir, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? आप तो रुकिए. अब तो main moment है. Okay guys, so we have Mr. Amol right here, and Amol is going to be giving away this beautiful trophy, the Andropic Army Hunt trophy, to our winner. Amol ji, pakadiye. Can we please have the winners of this episode of the Andropic Army Hunt? We have the Warrior Hunters. Can I have you guys please come up? You guys ruled since the very first round. Please collect your award. Thank you very much. Aye. Come on. Congratulations to the winners of the Andropic Army Hunt, the Warrior Hunters. You did a fabulous job. Thank you so very much and congratulations. So guys, here we have our winners of this episode of the Andropic Army Hunt. Do share, do show us some love, do like our YouTube channel, share this video, subscribe to it, hit the bell icon, and yes, thank you very much for your love and your support. This is me, Gavin, signing out of the Andropic Army Hunt. Thank you very much and have a fabulous day. Thank you.